Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Today I want to show you, this is my inspiration picture, and I want to see if I can do that on this 11 by 14 inch canvas. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set that over there, and I'm going to start out with some metallic pearl on my canvas all over, and spread that out with my spatula. Just a light layer on here. Just want to cover the basics of it. And then I work my way from the top down. Colors I have here is, this is a Master's Touch Orange. I have a turquoise from, not sure the brand of that one. I have a medium magenta, some white, and a cad yellow light, along with quinacridone magenta. I'm going to put some orange in the sky area, right to about there. Add some of the magenta, and just work that across the canvas. And make a little bit of a mess. Just scrape the edge of this off. About like that. Got my paint a little too close here. And just to give the illusion of the light, I'm going to put a line of white here along with the pearl. And just going to do that. Scrape some of that off the side. Just go across again. Covered it right up, didn't I? Being a little bit heavy-handed with my spatula here. Let's get lighter. A little bit lighter. Okay, that's nice coverage for that. Like I said, I want a little more white towards the center of that. Add a little pearl areas in here for some clouds. And just lightly go over that. Okay, pretty happy with that. And I forgot to grab a paper towel so that I can set my spatula down. So, could use a little more pink in there, but I'm going to wait a minute to pull that together. I'm not going to rush things too much. I want some turquoise towards the bottom. So I'm just going to let that blend. With the pearl that's on there. Cover my bottom edge here. Just like that. Excuse my phone. I'm working remotely, so my phone will be on because I need to make sure that people can get a hold of me if they need to. So, I'm going to bring some of that magenta in, give a little bit of an upward motion here. Into my turquoise just a little bit. Just kind of bring those colors together. Okay, that's looking pretty nice right there. And I'm going to put my horizon line right up here. Just got a little bit of quinacridone, or I'm sorry, this isn't magenta, this is a violet. Just bring that in like that. And this other spatula I'm going to use just to move that around a little. Might be a little easier with a skewer. So I'll try that. Just kind of roll that up. A little bit of direction. Just kind of making it look like little mountains in the background. Nothing too perfect. And just gonna see if I can might have to come back and do it later. And I'm going to put some pearl down here. Some tiny spots of magenta. I'll float this across. Just like that. Be very careful to leave that spatula very level with your canvas when you're using it. Okay, get rid of some of that turquoise off of there. Okay. I'm hoping I'm not overworking this because I keep hitting it a little bit too hard. My spatula, and I just I want it to be soft. Soft touch. Like that. Okay, let's get our horizon line a little bit more defined here. Like that. Ooh, I like it. And kind of go down below here. Pull that together a little bit. I'm concentrating, you can probably tell. Trying to make this a little hilly area here. Okay. Pretty happy with it, except for I've got a little bit of blank area over here. So I'm going to add a little bit more of these three colors. I'll try to get it to come out to the edge. A little bit of pearl here. Just to pull that over. It makes kind of a nice peach. When you get the two of them to mix. And it's just such a light touch. Just floating it. And get it all the way across. It's much brighter now. I like that. Okay. Some more bright areas here. Give me some clouds. Do the same light touch up here without putting my hand in it. That. Okay. Use it to define the line just a little bit. Like that. And I think I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm going to cover my edges. Maybe put a little bit of white down in here. And just give it the illusion of some waves. Just like that. Maybe a tiny bit up in here. So even though that still looks like the sun, it's supposed to be just a reflection. Oh, and I got some blue in there. But that's okay. I think I'll just spread that out. That. And I'm going to put a little bit of orange up in here. Because this is so much brighter than that up there. I just want them to look like they belong together. Okay, that I'm happy with. That gave it some movement up here. I like that a lot. Get a little bit of movement down here. And I'm just going to touch up my edges and I'm going to say it's done. Tell me what you think, guys. It's really pretty. Really pretty, simple sunset. Probably come back in and touch it up a tiny bit. I might put a sun in here. I can probably just put a dot of paint right there. Almost, almost lost it, and just let it spread out. And that will take a little time to spread. But here we go. Let me know what you think. Thank you for coming and visiting my channel. I appreciate it. I appreciate you subscribing. Thank you very much for that. Thank you for liking, sharing. Hit the thumbs up for me. That helps my channel out quite a bit. And I will see you next time. Bye.